Welcome back to Deep Dive Survivor, everyone. We're back on the farm finally, and we've got a brand new addition to help this land clearing project. We've got the 15 horsepower Power Fist wood chipper. I bought it from Princess Auto, and it went on sale for $1,499, I think. It's about 15 degrees Celsius here. We just had 50 millimeters of rain, so everything is waterlogged here. And I wouldn't say waterlogged because it's a gentle slope here, so the water doesn't really hang up. But there is a little small stream that cuts across the farm, and it's got plenty of water, just like a river there now. And let's see if we can get the wood chipper started. It's been up here a few weeks. I fired it up once I assembled it, and it ran fine for the first half hour. And let's get her going, and I'll get a little time lapse going for you guys. Alright folks, I just ran the Power Fist wood chipper's 15 horsepower 420cc wood chipper. It's supposed to be able to chip up to a 5-inch log. I was throwing some 4-inch hardwood, I think it's a cherry wood in there, and it was mulching through it, but it doesn't pull it right through when it's a hardwood. So some of it was bouncing around in the chute there for a little bit. So you do have to be cautious of that, and never stand right behind the feed chute or in front of the output where it's blasting out the chips, because they come flying out at a high speed. But you can see what we got going on here. Decent pile. It's a pull cord start. And she starts up pretty easy for a pull cord on a 420cc. And you can see the area. I took all the branches that were closest to me, and it's kind of a two-man job to keep her going full speed. Like someone pulling the branches to me, and I could be there just feeding it non-stop. So that way you're not wasting fuel and you're getting maximum production out of it, right? Turned out to be a beautiful day here, guys. The rain has stopped. The clouds are almost starting to part a bit. I got a couple of hours. I think I'm going to go up in the top. I still got some trees up there with limbs on them that I got to tidy up. So let's go up to the top of the clearing there. Well, folks, thanks for watching this far, and we got a couple of piles of wood made. We got some land cleared off there and brush piled up, and I'm up at the top of the clearing right now, and you could see the clearing in the drone shots that I have in this video. That's exactly where I flew over. You can see all the log piles and brush everywhere. So the last time I was here, I got a little bit wild with the chainsaw and dropped about 75 trees into a spaghetti pile. And that's not the best way to go about things, because as you can see, it takes like weeks to get it all tidied up. It's like a hurricane came through here, Hurricane Dougie, and really wreaked havoc on the whole situation here. So we got at least another 3 or 4 days, I'd say, of limbing and stacking, and then I'm going to try to move around the wood chipper and try to get this whole clearing wood chipped and stacked and tidied right up before we continue on with the dropping more trees. And it was a beautiful day. The sun actually came out for the last little bit of it, and great bit of exercise, fresh air, really enjoying it. My birthday's coming up the first week of November. I'm going to be 45 years old, you guys. And there's a few days off on that weekend too. It's a lot extra long weekend, so it's going to be a good time. We're going to get some good videos made, and we're going to be on a 45, up and underneath on a 45. All right, folks, well, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you like this type of content, and hit subscribe if you're not already on the team, and we'll see you on the next one, Deep Dive Survivor.